This dance starts with weight on your left. You're going to step to the right, together on the left, together with the right, step back on the right, together with the left, step forward on the left, do a quarter turn, step beside it, then you're going to step out. You're going to repeat that same pattern again, left, together, back, together, turn, touch. Now you're going to repeat the pattern, but this time instead of step together, you're going to do 2 hops for each part of the pattern. So it's going to be a hop, hop on the right, hop, hop on the left, hop back on the right, and then your front, you're going to do a left high clap, then you're going to do a quarter turn, hitch, clap underneath, come down into that hop, hop on the right, left, back, up, hitch, hop, 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 hitch, hop, hop, back, clap, hitch, and then boom, back into beginning of the dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and back to top of dance.